Hey everyone! Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that connects geometry, biology, and the mysterious concept of chirality. Basically, why things in life have a handedness. Have you ever wondered why your heart is slightly to the left or why DNA twists in a right-handed helix? These quirks of nature are all about chirality, and a recent study using something called the Sphinx tile is shedding new light on this mystery. Let's dive in. Welcome to Trendstorm. Chapter 1. What is chirality? First, let's talk about chirality. In simple terms, chirality refers to the handedness of objects, whether they can be distinguished as left-handed or right-handed. This concept is everywhere in biology. For example, most people's hearts are on the left side, and our DNA forms a right-handed spiral. But why does nature seem to prefer one hand over the other? That's the question researchers have been exploring. Chapter 2. The Sphinx tile and its unique properties. Enter the Sphinx tile, a shape you've probably never heard of, but one that's incredibly intriguing. Greg Huber, a biophysicist at the Zuckerberg Biohub in San Francisco, along with his team, spent 3 years studying this tile to understand chirality better. So, what's a Sphinx tile? It's a hexaemon, meaning it's made up of 6 equilateral triangles. The tile is asymmetric and comes in 2 versions, left-handed and right-handed. But here's where it gets really interesting. These tiles can be perfectly scaled and tiled in an infinite number of ways. For instance, an order 2 Sphinx can be made from 4 smaller Sphinx tiles, an order 3 from 9, and so on. The number of ways you can arrange these tiles skyrockets as you increase the size. For example, an order 5 Sphinx has 153 possible tiling arrangements, while an order 13 has a mind-boggling 10 to the power of 30 possible layouts. Chapter 3. Chirality and Geometry. More than just math. What does all this tiling have to do with biology? Quite a lot, actually. The Sphinx tile's asymmetry provides a rich ground to explore chirality. When you place 2 Sphinx tiles side by side, there are 46 or 47 different ways to do it, depending on how you count. This is a far cry from something like 2 squares, which can only be arranged in one way. These tiles can also be arranged to have either low or high chiral energy. Low chiral energy means that most neighboring tiles are oriented the same way, while high chiral energy means they're mixed. This behavior mirrors the way chirality shows up in biology, like how certain molecules twist in specific ways. Chapter 4. Connecting Geometry to Biology. Greg Huber and his team weren't just playing around with shapes for fun. They believe that understanding the geometry and chirality of shapes like the Sphinx tile can give us insights into biological structures. For example, the geometric symmetry of virus capsids, the protein shells of viruses, is based on similar principles found in the Sphinx tile. Huber points out that while the universe doesn't inherently favor one-handedness over another, chiral preferences still emerge at different scales. The Sphinx tile's surprising chiral interactions helped motivate this study and could lead to a deeper understanding of why chirality is so prevalent in nature. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the world of chirality, geometry, and how something as simple as a tile shape can help us understand the complexities of life. The Sphinx tile might seem like just a mathematical curiosity, but it's opening up new ways to think about the natural world. Source: Zuckerberg Biohub. What do you think about this connection between geometry and biology? Does it make you see the world a little differently? Let us know in the comments below. If you're into exploring the mysteries of science, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future deep dives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.